Welcome to Custom Saddlery. Next coming weeks, we will show you multiple saddles on 3 very different horses. This is Beau, a 4-year-old gelding. He is under saddle for about 6 months. Beau has a straight back and a very young, undeveloped body. This can be a challenge to fit a saddle to sometimes. In the coming years, he will develop and mature and look and move differently than he does today. It will become easier for him to carry a saddle properly. Here we have Eyecatcher, an 11-year-old Grand Prix horse. He is very muscled and developed and has a high wither. As a young horse, Eyecatcher was flatter with no wither. After about the age of 8, his body started to change and start to develop more wither along with more muscling overall. Today we will show you saddles on Sam. Sam is a 20-year-old stallion and former Prix St. George horse that is now retired and ridden much less. He is slightly higher in his group, and even though he's not under saddle as much, he still has good muscular structure. The saddles we will show on Sam are the Wolfgang Gemini, the Custom Advantage R, the Icon Alpha, the Icon Star, and the Custom Everest R. The Wolfgang Gemini would normally not be chosen for a build like Sam. However, the shape of the tree goes with his structure quite well. He has still quite a bit of wither, even though he's slightly high behind. The Gemini works with his body because of its open pommel, even though the tree is flattered throughout. The Custom Advantage R is a possibility because this saddle has an open pommel and a sweep up in the back. This accommodates his croup high build nicely, giving him room to move under the saddle. The Alpha is the most supportive and has an open pommel, which is great for horses like Sam. The pommel gives great clearance, and the tree is shaped in a way that allows maximum movement for horses with his structure. The Icon Star is also a possible choice. The tree has a natural shape and sweep to it, allowing a proper match to Sam's downhill build. The pommel is also open, letting this have a deep supportive seat, while also giving Sam the comfort he needs to move well. The Custom Everest R has a similar structure in that it is again an open pommel and a sweep in the shape of the tree, allowing horses more freedom to move in their hind area. Matching the shape of the saddle tree to the horse's general structure can help you to make the horse more comfortable and increase the connection the rider has to the horse. By trying these saddles, you can find out which saddle fits best for you and your horse. And with our personalized service, you can be assured of the perfect fit for the lifetime of your saddle.